Would you like to watch the sunrise this morning? Can you see the cows over here in the mist in the field? Sunrise in the south. It is just coming up over those trees. What a pretty sight this morning. Hope you'll enjoy it wherever you are. And I think a hunter is out early. You have officially seen the sunrise, and you didn't even have to get up early. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. And the day has begun. I wonder what you're going to do today. The birds are now flying off to do whatever. See you soon. Have a lovely day.